everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pooja. I hope everyone is doing great so far and taking care of yourself, taking care of your family, and staying home, staying safe. So, by the title now, you guys already know that this is going to be a huge collective haul video. So, I have shopped quite a lot from different websites, say Forever 52, Myntra, Amazon, Nykaa, Sugar, all of these websites. I have shopped quite a lot. As I mentioned, this is going to be a collective haul, so I have shopped a lot of things, but over a period of time, not in one go. And personally, I love watching hauls videos, so I hope you guys are going to enjoy this haul. This is the first haul video which I'm going to do on my channel, so I hope you guys will enjoy and let me know what are the products which you liked from my video and wanna get your hands on them. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, so after this video I'm going to upload a tutorial on this look, so stay tuned for the tutorial guys if you like this makeup which I'm wearing right now. So let's get started with the video. So guys, there's no particular order in which I'm going to show you the products because there are a lot of products and I don't want to waste my time. I'll mention all the details in the description box below so you guys can check them out. And yeah, the very first product which I'm going to show you is this palette from Makeup Revolution, one of my favorite brands for eyeshadow to shop from. I have a lot of different eyeshadow palettes from this brand. So this is their intensely pigmented foil eyeshadow palette. I got this palette from Myntra, and this is how this palette looks from inside. Can you guys see this? This palette is so beautiful guys. I can't even explain how beautiful this palette is. Like I haven't started using yet. I have just swatched this video on my fingers. As you can see, my finger prints on them, like marks on them. So this is how this palette looks like. So this is the second product. This is Forever 52 blush palette. So this is the blush palette from Forever 52. So just look at this palette guys. Oh my god, this palette is so freaking beautiful. I can't even explain. Yes, so can you see this palette? This is perfect. Like I don't know why the colors are not properly visible on the camera. That camera is not catching the colors how exactly they look, but in person they look so freaking gorgeous and perfect for Indian skin tone. So the next product which I am having is this is Forever 52 Spotlight Highlighter Palette. The palette looks something like this. Can you see the colors? They are buttery soft. Oh my god, I like this palette is so good, and they have like 8 different shades which we can mix and match and use it according to our preference as well. And so this is the lip liner which I have got from Forever 52 website. It's a nude lip liner. On purchase of 4,500 they were giving a free eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette which I have received as my freebie is this one. This is the Forever 52 Twinkle Stars Magnificent eyeshadow palette. So, and the palette looks something like this. Oh my god, can you guys see the packaging? This is very sturdy, very good quality, feels so luxurious and feels so good. And if I'll open it from the inside, look at the shades guys. When I saw this, I was already in love with the palette. Can you guys see the packaging as well? This is magnetic closer. So this is closer something like this. Oh my god, I shopped twice from Sugar Cosmetics. They were having some offer during the month of July and August. if you'll shop for 1299 rupees, you can choose 3 of the products from that category. So the first product which I got is this. This is Sugar's Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. So the packaging looks something like this. The actual product looks something like this. So you just have to twist it up and you'll get the product from this end. So I have used once, I really like this, but more than this I use Nykaa's one. I use it occasionally. I really like this primer as well. So this is the first product from Sugar Cosmetics. So the next product which I got from Sugar Cosmetics is this. This is the Contour de Force Face Palette. Yes, I believe so. This is what it's called. Yeah, Contour de Force Face Palette in the shade Vivid Victory 02. So this is the outer package of the product, and this is the actual product. This is how the actual product looks like. So if you'll open it, there is a mirror over here, and these are the 3 products. So this is the bronzer slash contour, this is the highlighter, and this is the blush. And for if you are dusky deep brown girl, then this palette is going to suit you perfectly. The bronzer, though not really very pigmented, you have to build it up quite a lot. This is basically a very subtle contour slash bronzer which you can use on everyday basis. Even the highlighter is very subtle. Definitely you can build it up, but this is very subtle. You can use it on everyday basis. You can build it up and you can use it in a party or any event as well. And the blush as well is very pigmented, looks really beautiful on our skin tone, even on fairer skin tone. The pigmentation is really good, so you just have to take a little bit of the product so you don't go overboard with the product. Next product which I got it from Sugar Cosmetics is this. This is their alcoholic hydrating stick, which looks something like this from the inside. If I'll open it, this has a cap over here. Okay, oh yeah, so this has the cap and you just have to twist it up and the product will start coming out and you can use it on your face. So I have used few times this product and I really like using this product underneath my makeup. I know I do prep my skin before doing makeup, but still I really like using this because this gives a really good hydration and make this has some kind of stickiness to it. So applying makeup on this, my makeup, like my base makeup, sits really well on my face. So I really like using this product every single time whenever I do my makeup. So the next product, the second order which I placed with Sugar, I got 3 of their cream products. So basically these 3 products which I placed order for. So the first is Face Forward Blush Stick in 03. The second one is Face Forward Contour Stick in Onward Orange 02. And the third product which I got is Face Forward Contour Stick in 02 Espresso Edge. Yeah. So let's start with the first. This is the packaging of all of these 3 products. As you guys can see, this is how they look. So the packaging from inside looks something like this. They have mentioned Sugar Cosmetics and the shade over here. And for packaging for all these 3 products are similar. And when you open it, you'll see the actual product. You can twist it up and product will start coming out. So this is a cream product. I really want to start using some cream products. I really like using cream products over powder. I mean, they look really good. I don't know what it is, but personally I enjoy using cream products and layer it up with the powder product. I'll swatch all of these products in any other way, like you'll see me using all these products in any other video, or I'll swatch all of these products on my Instagram. So head over to my Instagram to see the swatches of all of these products. So the next product which I'm going to show you is their orange stick, which is basically a corrector for Indian skin tones. This is how it looks. Basically for dusky skin tone, the orange corrector is really good. This is how it looks like. Again, the name is over here and the shade and everything is mentioned over here, and you can close it like this. So if you are a fairer to medium skin tone, the peach correctors are really good. But if you are onto darker, deep, dusky beauties, then for you girls, to hide any pigmentation around your mouth area or any dark spots, you can use orange correctors. They perform really well. The next product is this. This is their contour stick, and this is how the shade looks like. Perfect shade for dusky deep skin tone. They don't have much of options in it, they just do have 2 options, and I got the second one for myself. In blush they have 3 different shades, so you can choose it according to your preference. And in what else, in the corrector as well, they have, I believe, 2 to 3 options. I'm not sure about that. So if you want to check any of the products, you can go and check on their website. I'll share all of the details in the description box. So those were the products which I got it from Sugar Cosmetics. Now let's move to another product, which is this. I'm so sorry. This is Tan Beauty. This is Tan Beauty. This is All I Need eyeshadow palette. This is their first product which they have come up with. This brand is owned by Shruti Bhatt. She is a makeup artist. So I've done a lot of videos using this palette, and I have done a full review on my channel as well about this palette. So you can definitely check it out. Oh no, trying to take out this palette. This is not ready to come out. So yeah, so this is how the packaging looks from inside, and so they have a mirror over here, and these are the shades. Can you see the shades? Oh my god, this is my favorite palette to use. I just love this palette. Oh my god, this palette which I got it through Myntra is this. This is another Makeup Revolution palette. This is Neutrals 3 palette. This is more into a red side. Warm, neutral, red, has red undertones in it, and this is how the palette looks from inside. I'm going to show you guys is this. This is the Garnier Light Complete Speed Vitamin C 30x Booster Serum. This is their newly launched serum. I believe I saw the first video on 9th of September, and immediately I placed the order on Amazon to see how this serum performs. So the packaging is something like this. All the details have been mentioned over here. I got it from Amazon, and I'm not really happy about the packaging. This is their newly launched product, and the condition of the package was really pathetic. Oh my god, I can't even explain you how bad it was. So this is how the product looks from inside, and I have started using these products, this serum, and I will be sharing my thoughts and review with you guys really soon. So stay tuned for the review of this serum. Another product which I got it from Amazon is this. This is hair scalp massager shampoo brush from Rosa. So this is how the box looks like. It looks something like this. So this is the massager. This is made up of silicone, and this is the plastic packaging. You have to hold it like this and massage your scalp. I have used it once. I'm not really sure about like I don't want to give any opinion right now. Before giving my opinion, I want to use it more, so I can give you my final thoughts. But so far, I am liking this product. This is the next product. This is Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. This is the washable one, and this is how the packaging looks from inside. You have seen me using quite a lot of times. I really like this product. Love it. Definitely recommend this. Like Maybelline has some amazing mascaras with them, so definitely you can give this a shot. This comes in a waterproof variant as well, which is in the blue sort of a packaging, and the washable one comes with this light pink kind of packaging. So the next product is this. This is K Beauty Eye Stylist Liquid Liner enriched with chamomile, eucalyptus and eucalyptus extract. So, and this is how the product looks from inside. It's like I don't like the formula, which the applicator is really good on this, so there's no complaint about the applicator. The packaging is really good. The only thing I'm not really happy about it that it's not a matte eyeliner. This is when we'll apply it, it shines. Yeah, so this is the eyeliner. This is a decent eyeliner. They performs decently. So if you wanna give this a shot, definitely you can. But I don't know. I'm not going to purchase this. If they have the similar eyeliner in a matte formula, definitely I'm going to get that one for myself. The next product is Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer, face primer, for tone, smoothen and perfect primer. This is silicone based primer. This is how the packaging looks like. There is all of the details mentioned over here. So far this is a really good primer for oily skin type, or if you have pores, fills up pores decently. So yeah, that's a good primer. If you are looking for, you can definitely give it a shot. Next product is one of my favorite. That is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. This is in the shade Caramel. Oh my god, I'm already using this concealer, and this is the backup which I have got it during the sale, and this is how it looks from the inside. So they have changed a little bit of the packaging, but yeah, concealer is the same. I really like this concealer. Perfect match for my skin tone, and this is the beautiful concealer. Like, I can't tell you how much I love this. So again, another favorite from the Maybelline. This is Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep 30. Oh my god, I have heard a lot of YouTubers talking about this powder, and this is when I started using this, when I got my hands on this and started using this, then I got to know why everybody loves this powder. This is so finely melt and sets your base so beautifully. It like smoothens your base. I mean, I can't even explain you how it feels on the face, but this is such a beautiful loose finishing powder. Another cult favorite product of everyone. This is Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminator in the shade Molten Gold. Oh my god, look at the highlighter, guys. This looks so freaking good. I was having this highlighter palette as well in the past. Sadly, I broke that one out, and all of the product shattered on the floor, so I don't want to use it on my face, so I just throw it away, and I got another shade, like another one for myself. This is really buttery soft, so hold it very properly or use it very safely so you don't shatter your product or broke your product. Another Maybelline product, you guys can see now like how much I love Maybelline products. This is another concealer by Fit Me. This is also in the shade 40 Caramel. I haven't used it, it's still sealed. I got it during the sale on Nykaa. So this is how it looks like. I definitely use it in one of my video and I'll share my thoughts on this. The favorite by Maybelline. I just love Maybelline Fit Me Ring. They're really good, and this is the compact in the shade 330. This is how it looks like. They have a mirror right here, and this is the packaging. Oh my god, this is also really good, really good compact. I really like, and the shade is also really good for my skin tone. This is in the shade 330 Toffee. I know you guys must be wondering how many products she's having from Maybelline. I really love Maybelline as a brand. The next product which I'm having is again from Maybelline, and this is the Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. I haven't started using it, so this is how it looks. Because I'm already having two of the setting spray which I'm using currently, so I want to finish them up and then I'll start using this one, and I'll let you know guys how this performs. So I got all of these products during the sale. So while offer on Nykaa, they were having that setting spray, and with that you're getting this kajal free. So I got this one as a freebie with my purchase of that setting spray. The next product which I'm having is by KY Katrina. This is their Chisel Star Contour Stick, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is in the shade Cocoa, I believe. Yes, so this is in the shade Cocoa Focus. This is how the product looks like. I have already used it quite a lot of times, and I really like this product. It blends really beautifully, looks really good, and for my complexion this shade is really good. So you guys can give it a shot if you are looking for a contour stick, or you can go for the sugar one. They are also really good. I haven't used it yet, but I have heard a lot of things about their products. So the next product which I'm having is by Color Bar. This is their nail paint remover, acetone free nail paint remover. This is how it looks. This is my third bottle. I really like this product. This works really beautifully. This is priced at 125 rupees. I got it during the sale for I believe 95 or 94 rupees. So, and it lasts you really long. You just need a little bit of product and it works really good. So definitely get this one if you're looking for nail paint remover. So the next product which I'm having is by Kiko Milano. This is a lip liner. This is their Smart Fusion lip liner in the shade 531 Chocolate, and this is how the product looks like. I'll swatch it for you guys. So this is the shade. So the next product is Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade M340 Neutral Almond, and this is a really good match for my skin tone. A tad bit darker for my skin tone, but that's completely fine with me. I can work with this foundation. A beautiful foundation in a budget. Definitely, if you are looking for a good foundation, definitely you can give this a shot. It's a beautiful foundation. So this is the next product. This is Nykaa Somi Creme lipstick in the shade Deja Nude, and this is how it looks like. This is a very beautiful shade for my skin tone, and this is how the shade looks like. These two work really well together. Next one is this is Nika K Lip Pure Lip Oil with jojoba oil, argan oil and vitamin E oil. This is a really beautiful lip oil. Not too thick, not too thin, a perfect consistency, which the kind of consistency which I like in my lip balms or lip oil. This is perfect. This is that sort of a lip oil. I really enjoy using this. This combo, this is combo of 2 lip balms. This is by Maybelline, buy one get one free in the shade Berry Crush, and with that we have got another one which is in the variant watermelon flavor. This is priced at rupees 175, and at that price point, you're getting two of these, so why not? If you get this one on Nykaa, definitely go ahead and get this one for yourself. This is the next product. This is Layer Water Girl Vanilla Twist fragrant body splash. Basically it's a body mist. I really love this one. I have already finished one bottle of this, and this is my second bottle. The one which I am using currently is this. This is Body Cupid body mist in the variant Pink Lotus. This is how it looks like. This is the cap. This is the product. Kind of okay product, not really big fan of this product though. Works fine, stays for a decent amount of time, for 5 to 6 hours it stays for, so I'm okay with that. I have Body Cupid body butter as well in the same variant Pink Lotus. This is how it looks like. I have already started using this. I like to layer up this product with the body mist to increase the longevity of the product. This Nivea Whitening Sensitive Roll-On Deo. This is how it looks. I used to use this one. This is Whitening Smooth Skin one. I have already finished, and I have used number of bottles of this one. I can't even remember how many bottles I have used this one. I really like. So this time I got this one. I saw this is a new variant available on Nykaa, so I got this one. The next product is this. This is Wow Aloe Vera Gel. I haven't started using this. I got this one free with purchase of their shampoo and conditioner. So this is how it looks. I'm using Face Shop. I'm using Face Shop aloe vera gel. I'm still left with some of the products, so once I'll finish that, I'll start using this. But I'm really having high hopes from this. Let's see how this performs. So the next product is this. This is Be Safe Natural Intimate Wash for women, and the product from inside looks something like this. I have started using this. Till here I have used. You don't need a lot of product to use it. Smells good. This one is the best out of all of them, so I'll highly suggest this, going for this one if you are looking for an intimate wash. So the next one is this. This is Parachute Coconut Oil. I use this, I know everybody must be having this product. I got it mainly because to remove my makeup. The next product is this. This is Garnier Micellar Water. This is the huge bottle which I have got it for myself, and everybody loves it. Even I love it. If you are looking for micellar water, give this a shot. Works really good. Not good for waterproof makeup, but as I mentioned, I use coconut oil and then I go with micellar water, so works perfectly fine with me. So the next product is this. This is Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin types. Really love this one. Have used in past one of these a long back. Was looking for a moisturizer which is into budget, so I got this one for myself. Is this Wow Conditioner. This is in the variant Coconut Oil plus Avocado. Works decent. Not really happy with the product, so can't tell you. I don't suggest you to go for this one. If you are interested, definitely you can get this for yourself, but I don't think I'm going to repurchase this one. So the next product which I'm having again from Wow, this is their apple cider vinegar shampoo. Yeah, as you can see by my expression, I don't really like this one, but now I have, so I use it. We have finished almost, just this much is left, so I'm just going to finish it off as soon as possible, but I don't really like it and don't want to get my hands on this again. The next one is this. This is a Johnson's Baby shampoo. This one I got it to clean my brushes. Previously I was having the smaller one. This time I got the bigger one because yeah, we apply makeup and cleaning your you using our brushes, and cleaning your brush is really important. So I got this one. I use this one to clean my brush. So we are at the end of the video, and the last but not the least product, this is Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This one is really good for all skin types. My sister, she really likes this one and she wanted to get this one for herself. So I got this one, the bigger tub for her. Even though I use this one sometimes when I feel like. So this is a really great moisturizer if you're looking for yourself. So guys, those were the products which I have got for myself during the period of 4 to 5 months. Over a period of 4 to 5 months, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this whole video as much as I do. Let me know if you guys are going to get anything for yourself. I would love to know what all products you are going to get for yourself. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.